What are preferential payments in bankruptcy law? Have you ever wondered what happens to payments made right before someone files for bankruptcy? This is a key topic in bankruptcy law, especially when it comes to fairness among creditors. Let's break it down. Preferential payments are those made by a debtor to certain creditors shortly before filing for bankruptcy. These payments give those creditors more than they would receive through the bankruptcy process. The law is designed to prevent this kind of favoritism. To qualify as a preferential payment, several conditions must be met. First, the payment must be made to a creditor who is owed money. Second, it must be for a debt that existed before the payment was made. This is known as an antecedent debt. Third, the payment must occur within a specific time frame before the bankruptcy filing. Typically, this is 90 days for regular creditors and up to 1 year for insider creditors, like family or friends. Another important point is that the debtor must be insolvent at the time of the payment. This means they are unable to pay their debts. Lastly, the payment must allow the creditor to receive more than they would have if the debtor's assets were distributed equally among all creditors. The purpose of these rules is to ensure fairness. They prevent a debtor from favoring certain creditors just before filing for bankruptcy. This promotes equality, allowing all creditors to share the debtor's remaining assets fairly. It also discourages aggressive collection tactics from creditors who might rush to get paid before others have a chance. Now, let's talk about the look-back period. This is the time frame before the bankruptcy filing when payments can be reviewed for being preferential. For most creditors, this period is 90 days. For insiders, it extends to 1 year due to their closer relationship with the debtor. If a payment is deemed preferential, the bankruptcy trustee can demand that the creditor return the funds or property received. This process is known as clawback. The assets recovered are then pooled and redistributed among all creditors. Common mistakes related to preferential payments include failing to disclose potential preferential payments in bankruptcy paperwork. This can lead to delays or complications. Making payments to certain creditors within the look-back period without understanding the risk can also create issues. Not consulting a bankruptcy attorney before filing can result in unexpected financial liabilities. To avoid these pitfalls, keep detailed records of all payments made before filing for bankruptcy. Avoid making large payments to any creditor shortly before filing unless you have legal advice. Working with an experienced bankruptcy attorney can help you review your financial transactions and develop a filing strategy that minimizes risks. Understanding preferential payments is essential for navigating bankruptcy smoothly. It helps prevent unintended favoritism and ensures compliance with bankruptcy laws.